Scientist. Welcome to Alan IntelliBrain. In this video, we are going to perform the turmeric test to understand the concept of indicators. From the Intelli Smart Box, take out the acids and bases activity kit. From your acids and bases kit, take out turmeric powder, detergent powder and earbuds. Be ready with 2 empty bowls, a bowl of water, 2 spoons, paintbrush and a white paper from your home. First, make a thick paste by mixing 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, 1, 2, with 5 teaspoons of water, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mix it well to make a uniform paste. Take 2 teaspoons of detergent powder from the packet into a bowl. Mix 5 teaspoons of water in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mix it well to make a uniform solution. Now, lay a white paper and uniformly paint it using the turmeric paste. Let the paper dry for 5 minutes. Now, dip an earbud in the detergent solution. Write IB on the paper using it. I, B. IB stands for IntelliBrain. Observe the letters magically appear in reddish brown color on the paper. Can you tell why did this happen? Turmeric has a property to change its color to reddish brown whenever it comes in contact with a base. This shows that detergent is basic in nature. We know that now you will be able to tell whether any substance is basic or not using this turmeric test. Visualize science with IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.